guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited. One, I am taking my daughters to see the new Wicked movie, but I am excited. Well, I'm excited for that, but I'm also excited because this past weekend I got to go into Ulta, and it's been a minute. It's been a while since I've actually gone into the store, and they had like all their Christmas stuff and like all their like bundle sets and value sets, and I really have not taken the time to go in and like looked around in so long that it was just like, it was like when you're a kid and you walk into Toys R Us or like a toy store. You know, I'm showing my age there with Toys R Us, but anyway, it's like walking into a toy store and seeing all these things, and I was like, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Well, I've been out of the loop of mainstream makeup, I think, because I use so many indie brands that I didn't realize that REM Beauty, which I'm pretty sure is Ariana Grande's makeup line, I didn't realize they were coming out with like a Wicked collection, and I just happened to like look over at one of the displays, and this palette was sitting there open, and this green and this pink caught my eye. It was like a little twinkle in the sky, and I looked over and I was so excited. I was so excited. I was like, ooh, what do we have here? So my 10-year-old was like, oh boy. So she was like, Mom, I thought we just talked about not buying any makeup right now. And I was like, I know, but like, do you see this palette? So anyway, they had the palette there. So as you can see, I purchased it. Here is the package. It's super heavy. It's thick. It's pretty with like these rose goldy butterflies. And then you get a full-size mirror on the inside. Here is the palette itself. Some nice neutrals, some nice mattes, but then you get those shimmers, and I'm pretty sure this pink, I feel like that pink has a shift to it, almost like a duochrome shift. But nothing crazy, nothing crazy. It definitely is like pink with some like purple and bluish like shimmer in it. I'm really intrigued to see what this color looks like right here. So anyway, it's called the OZIAN. I hope I'm saying that right because it's OZIAN Forest. And then, the only downside to this is it is freaking $60. I was like, $60. Now, if you have Ulta points, obviously you can get some money off, or if you had a coupon or, you know, what have you. But they also had blush palettes, and these are the Cherry Blossom blush palettes. They don't have any other indicator on them. It's not like blush light or fair light dark or anything like that. It just says Cherry Blossom palette, and this one has the shimmery pink, and then like a bubblegum pink, and then in the middle it's called Glimmer in the Sky. And then they have this one, which is more of like your peach tones, and then that darker corally color, and then this in the middle. I'm not so sure if that's like, I don't want to say a highlight, but that's called Sunset in Oz. And then the back of the box says a trio of vibrant blushes that deliver a cherry blossom inspired flush, a blurring matte, a luminous topper, and melange of highlight and matte tones can be layered together or worn alone to customize a unique look. So I guess layering all of them, layering that center shade that's more of like a topper, shimmer, what have you, is there. These are pricey too. These are $40 a piece. Ew. My daughter did get some of the bows. She got Elphaba's bow, and then I ordered Glenda's bow online because they didn't have that in store, so she'll wear that in her little hair. I thought that was super cute. And I did order the REM has that like pH balanced lip gloss. They had that. It's called the Wicked So Popular pH Adaptive Lip Oil. I did order that, but I did it for ship to home. These I did buy online and pick up in store so they wouldn't get broken in shipping. But the Wicked Lip Oil I did for shipping, because then if I spent so much between that and the bow, something about like they had a special, like if you, I don't think they have it on right now. They don't. It was, I would get a free gift. So I got a free gift, but it was online order only. So even though I ordered online for pickup in store, that didn't qualify me for that. So I had the lip oil shipped along with the bow. So that is all I got from the collection. They had a lot of things. They had like, the display was huge. But anyway, you guys can go on to Ulta and you can look at all of the things that they have. These are what I have right now. And I think I really want to use this palette. So I think I'm going to do a mixture of these three colors here. And I think I'm going to go in first with this color. Look, we're just going to jump right into this. How about that? How about that? Instead of being like, if you want to see what I do, just keep watching. Nope, we're just jumping right into it. We're just jumping into it. So, oh, that adds a nice light flush of color. I feel like I went in really light-handed, but I feel like if you have a heavy hand, just be careful, because I feel like this has the potential to be very saturated. It's very pretty. It's very light dusting of color. I'm gonna pick up a different brush and I'm just gonna go into the shimmer here. I think I just want to layer a little bit of that out here. Just to see, and then I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go into this center shade. Let's see if that'll kind of go. So you can see. I don't know about that being like a topper highlighter, because that was really saturated. That's really pink. So let me go ahead and just dab that a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side now. I shouldn't have gone so heavy over here, but it looks very nice over here. Very light, so just be aware when you're going into it. Just be light-handed, because I kind of just went ham on that last one. I probably wouldn't have come up so high if I realized that it was going to be so saturated, but that's okay. It kind of all blended out. It's very pretty. I definitely get the cherry blossom effect. Like, that is definitely accomplished with that. I think it's super cute. I like it. And no, I'm not wearing pink because I'm team Glenda. It's because I haven't worn this yet and I wanted to wear it, and I have some cute shoes to match it. So that's all that is. Okay, so I went ahead and set my face. This is what it looks like. I didn't apply any other highlighter. I think it's super cute. I think it's pretty. All right, now we can get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and let's do something with the eyes. So maybe I should just do a green look, not pink. But I will say I'm gonna only do one look because I am going to the movies. I really want to see what this looks like, so we're just gonna swatch that really quick. Oh, that is pretty. So that is going on my eyes, absolutely. So I think we're gonna do a green look just because I am wearing pink. Maybe we should do green, and then you like really don't know who I'm for, one or the other. I'm excited. I haven't watched any previews for it. Like, I've only seen the first movie, and I know my girls are excited. And are you team Elphaba? Are you team Glenda? Like, is that a thing? Like, have you guys seen it? Do you love it? Are you like, tell me, leave some comments. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color here. Then I'm probably gonna deepen it up maybe with this green, and then I'm gonna go in with that and then see what happens. And I've never used any REM products before. Don't hate me. And I'm just going in with my Morphe E27 brush. Going in with that darker green matte. And I'm just using this Sigma Blending E25 brush. Man, Sigma brushes were some of the first brushes, like, I remember buying Sigma brushes and then Morphe brushes. Were like hot to trot back in the day. Is Sigma still around? I feel like I've asked this in another video. And then I'm gonna take this Morphe M124 brush and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the lid. And I'm just swiping right through the middle, a mixture of the black and the gold. Let's see. That is so crazy how that makes such a pretty green. This color is so pretty. That applied really nice. Oh, I love it. That is so pretty. So pretty. I wonder, this color up here, I think that's just like super silvery color. I don't think I want to do that. But I feel like this color is going to be a little dark, but I'm going to go ahead and just dab a little bit of it here. Yeah, it's dark. And then I think I'm going to take this color and go underneath, and then I might use some of this color. And then just to lighten up this eye look, and I really want to see what this other green looks like, I'm going to place it on the inner corner. That's pretty. I'm going to bring it in just a little bit. And then I'm going to take the color I used right here on the center of the lid, and I'm just going to put that all underneath. And I think I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to hop off, I'm going to finish it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the finished look. I did not put on lashes because I'm kind of crunched for time, so I didn't want to mess with that. In the waterline, I just kept it simple and went in with my Makeup Forever Boundless Bisque eyeliner. And then for my lips, oh, hold on. I used my my KVD tattoo liner in Trooper Black. I don't know, this had a really hard time going over top of the shimmer, and it's not empty. So I don't know if it's the eyeshadow or if it's this liner is drying out for some stupid reason, but it's not empty. Like, I can feel the liquid and hear like stuff moving. And then I used my KVD full sleeve tubing mascara on the top, and then on the bottom, I did find out in Ulta during my time there, I did look at the Clinique, and this is the bottom lash eyeliner. This is the full size. That is it for $20 some, and I was like, what the heck? So I ended up buying, well, I have no idea where it went. What in the world? I ended up buying an Ulta eyeliner, or an Ulta mascara that had the same type of brush as the Clinique bottom lash one, and I have no idea where it got off to, unless, you know, my kid came in here and grabbed it. But you see how it's a little brush? Ulta has one, it's all pink. I think it said like Extreme Lift or something on it, but it had that brush, and I wanted to try it for the lower lash line, so I did purchase that. And then for my lips, I just went in with my MAC Subculture lip pencil. It is just a nude, and it actually matches like my lip color really well, so it just kind of like evens it out. It's not that it's like adding, so I went ahead and did that just to kind of get a nice even color across. And then I purchased the Ulta Beauty Collection Solar Flare lip topper, and I just put that over top, and I kind of like it. I feel like it's something I'm gonna do. I don't know, I was in line and I was like, the sparkle caught my eye. Like, there's really something wrong. Everything that's shiny just catches my eye, and I got excited about it. So I did buy this. So far I like it. It's not sticky, and you know that is an issue if it's sticky. So anyway, I really like it. It's quite pricey. You could probably get away with doing like some nice, you know, neutrals with pops of color, but the lightest color in here is this pale, I would call it a pale pink color. It's very pale. It's like a nude pink. That's the lightest you're gonna get, aside from this like shimmery green for like an inner corner. So you could probably pair it with other ones depending on what you're going for. But I mean, I was able to do a look, but it is a dark look. You get what I'm saying? So I liked it. I really like the blush palette. So I would definitely use every ounce of that because that was expensive. Both of them were. So I might just have to wear this for the rest of the year, Christmas and New Year's and everything in between. So anyway, if you guys have it and you love it, let me know. If you're kind of like, I got it and I don't like it, let me know that too. I love talking to you guys. As you can see, I'm quite excited. I'm like ready to go. So I gotta go get the kids so I can head off to the movies. But anyway, I hope all of you are happy, healthy, and well, and enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this. Bye.